Hello everyone, how are you? This is Lisa.
Hello, this is Lisa.
Welcome to our live. Today we will introduce some awesome products. Yes, the PCB board.
Yes, with the development of technology, our life is being more and more convenient. If we say the use of air conditioner make us feel more comfortable in summer or winter, then the use of washing machine will reduce our unnecessary workload. So today, let us learn the important parts of washing machine computer board. As a company has been focused on the production of household appliance for many years, the washing machine board is also our main product. Different washing machine models are equipped with different computer board, but what we are going to say today is with Universal Washing Machine Computer Board SCL220.
Yes.
And yes, what is the features of 2200?
Yes, as you can see, it's the ultra thin washing machine universal board is used in the fully automated washing machine. It has the following characteristics. The number one, equipped with the original sieve, is good for the stability and the stabilizing interference.
Yes, and the circuit breaker controller, the power switch is unnecessary.
Yes, too awesome for the Janet DC and the AC.
Yes, equipped with the suitable pressure switch for water level, ensures the water level is correct.
Yes, see here have the wash and the spinning and the washing in the function here.
Yes, there are so many things we need to pay attention to before replace the computer board. So, do you know what is the attention?
Yes, of course. Confirm the jamming system is draining water or the AC jamming. There are two kinds of computer board output. It must replay the computer board as the following situation. Inlet valve system to be smaller than 4 kO. Jamming valve electricity smaller than 10 kO. Otherwise, it will be blow up the computer board. Sincerely, then will refuse to communicate. And after replay water level sensor, if the barrel has water in storage, you have to choose the computer board function to drain the water so that the water level frequency and the computer board face synchronism. Otherwise, it will enter water a long time or the water level is abnormal.
Yes, that's one must be attention. And the water level control switch should be ensured that it is a water level sensor with a 3-terminal pin, and the frequencies should be match the frequency of the computer board, and the factory equipped one with the computer board.
Yes. And the water level frequency sensor must be accurate. Both low and high level will cause problems such as only washing or not drying clothes, acting water for a long time, inaccurate water level.
Yes, if dried water, it cannot dry the clothes, no carry on seconds procedures and have alarm sound. So you should check the cover switch to confirm it is not good contact or light broken. When the washing machine is drying, so what will we do?
If the pulsation rotates and the output barrel does not rotate, please reverse the front or the reverse line.
Yes, okay. And the washing machine motor must have a starting capacitor. Otherwise, the computer board will be burned out if the motor cannot start for a long time.
Yes, if the washing machine has a hand lock function, please connect the hand lock control line to the AC drain valve terminal. Otherwise, it will cause normal dehydration.
Yes. So if we need to repair it, please ask a qualified electrical repair because
Yes.
they are more professional.
Yes.
Yes. So now let us take a look at the viewing diagram of computer board, the water level sensor type. After so as you see the picture here in our box, it is laid out very clearly. For here we can see that there is 5 terminals in the left side, and the top 3 are connected the water level sensor. When connecting the water level sensor, pay attention to correct connection of the wire. The median, as we can see here, the median terminal is correct of the median of the water level sensors. Here, the median type.
Yes. And in addition, there are low and middle and the high and the LED display on the computer board. We can analyze different flow categories by the stature of the LED display. Lower water line level process flash may be drainage failure or dehydration dot cover is not closed. Medium water level line flash higher when detecting normal water level lights, process lights flashed. Yes. Hi Lisa, can I ask you some question about the failure of washing machine? Other procedures are normal. The dehydration is not possible. When the drainage is complete or start, the alarm is displayed. What is the reason for that?
Yes. That is the door switch is broken, or the balance switch of the bucket is broken.
Other procedures are normal but cannot dehydrate. After the drainage is finished, wait for about 4 minutes, but not give alarms or not. What is the fault?
It means the water level switch is failure, and just replace the water level sensor. This water level sensor.
Okay, I understand. Yes. Water level sensor. Okay. Last question. What is the cause of the flow cold as it starts?
Usually, it is the problem of the water level switch. Replace the water level switch and check whether connecting wire in poor contact. If it still cannot be used, you need to replace the computer board.
Oh,
yes.
Okay, I understand.
And for just now, the inductions for the SCL2200, and now I believe our friends have a better understanding of the computer board. Then we will introduce another computer board, SCL3200 touching washing machine universal board.
Yes, it's this one.
So what is the features of it?
Yes, you also equipped with the original shell. It's good for the stability and resisting interference.
Yes, and the circuit breaker controller, the power switch is unnecessary.
There are 3 choices for big barrels, middle barrels, and the small barrels, and there will be middle barrels after removing the jump cap light.
Oh yes, and the drainage output have 2 options, DC and AC.
Yes, also equipped with the suitable pressure switch for the water level, and ensure the water level is correct.
Yes, there are some things we need to pay attention to before replace the computer board.
For the first one, confirm the jamming system is DC jamming water or the AC charging. There are two types of the computer board output. It must be replace the computer board as the following situations. Inner walls resistance to be smaller than the 4KO and jamming walls resistance smaller than 10KO. Otherwise, it will be block up the computer board serial, then will fail to maintain.
Yes, and after replace the water level sensor, if the balance has water level in storage, you have to choose the computer board, the function to drain the water on time, so that the water level fluences and the computer's place synchronisms. Otherwise, it will be enter water long time or the water level is not normal.
Yes.
Yes.
The water level control switch should be ensured that is the water level sensor with the 3 terminal pin, and the frequency should be matched the frequency of the computer board. Yes, the factory equipped one with the computer control board.
Yes, the water level's fluency sensor must be equivalent, both low and high levels. It causes the problem such as only washing or no drying clothes, ending the water for a long time, and inaccurate water level.
Yes.
Yes. So these small things is very important.
Yes.
Before you replace the board, must be attention. It must be use the one we are give you.
Yes.
Cannot use your own type. So
Yeah.
if you want to change it, please changing this also together change.
Yes. And if the drain water it cannot dry the clothes, you should check the cover switch not good contact or light broken.
Yes. When the washing machine is drying, if the puck shape rotates and the outer balance does not rotate, please reverse the forward and reverse line.
Okay. The washing motor must have start capacitor, otherwise the computer board will burn out if the motor cannot start for a long time.
Yes. If the washing machine has a hand lock function, please connect the hand lock control line to AC drain valve terminals. Otherwise, it will be cause normal dehydration.
Yes, and also please ask a qualified electrical repair.
Yes. The special winding method can be reformed from the box. You can see maybe this one will be more clearly can see.
Yes.
We can see here some different force codes. If your washing machine their appearance for they can see is each one. It means E1 is water inlet failure, and if they put it for E2, it means it's a drainage failure, and E3 is the water level sensor failure. E4 is dehydration door cover open.
Yes.
Yes. So all of them you need to check it well before you connecting. After this problem solved, your universal board will be working.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And now let me introduce some other universal PCB board for the SCL 15200 of the German washing machine. Yeah, it's this type.
Yes, as we see, there That is a PCB board. This is the PCB board and one LCD display.
Also have one sensor for you.
Yes, yes. And this one drum washing machine is the new type in this year.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, it's very new. Maybe some place they are using the old washing machine, they don't see it. But now many families have changing the new washing machine for drum washing machine.
Yes. And let's look at the board. You can see our logo and the model number on the board. All of our material are new and you can see all the words clear on the board.
Yes, there are something we need to pay attention to. The first one is please hire the professional person to install it.
Yes, if it cannot work properly, before install the machine, please make sure to turn on the power on the test. And there is a high volt on the main board, so pay attention to the state.
Yes, if it cannot work properly, please check the fault code declaration on the box. If it's still not returned to normal, please unplug the power plug and contact the maintenance person.
Yes.
The user cannot repair, open or modify it by himself.
Yes, and before installation, please check the integrity of the washing machine motor, water inlet volt and the jet volt, otherwise you will burn the control board.
Yes, if we can see before, it's a 5 equal for in the normal board.
Yes.
But this drum board, they are mistake will be many in this in here. So if you can see the number which is show it in LCD display.
Yes.
Each one is an inlet water over time. So if over time, it cannot work. So the drain water over time, and the door is not secure.
Yes.
Yes, because a drum machine is open in the left or right side, not in the bottom. So if you not secure it well, the door from the door, it also not work. Yes, and the resistance to the rotation, if not good, also will be cannot working. And each 5 speed signal detection is unusual, and each 8 temperature sensor is unusually.
Are there any other washing machine PCB board, Lisa?
Yes, of course. Our factory also produce many washing machine computer board, which is suitable for different brand washing machine. Now I will show you the parts of them. As you can see in the back, there are many different operations and size with different shape and function, and they are all different.
Wow, that's great. And there are so many boards. Then how should I distinguish them, Lisa?
Oh, no need to worry about that. I will tell you now. First, you can see easy to know how many buttons are them. Let us take this sample, have a look.
Yes. Yes. As you can see, these two these two PCB boards are the same. Only this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons.
Oh,
And
it's
this
in my
one-
side. Let me see. This size is the switch is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, this one is the one more button than this one. Yes.
Oh, what is the more pattern of this one?
One more button. It means you can have the water flow regulator.
Oh, water flow regulator.
Yes.
It means this is the water flow regulator, right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
One more button and one more function.
okay.
Yes.
So maybe let us see. This is the start and push,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And what is this one?
Settings.
Setting.
Yes.
Oh, and this one?
It's a procedure.
Oh, and this one? Water level.
Yes.
Okay. So maybe now we see these two model is the same model. We are calling SYM80A.
Yes.
And there are two of them. You can see is a smiler, very smiler.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, only one switch,
Yes.
not the same.
Only one more button.
Yes. So you know this one is this ball is same used in your washing machine ball. This one must be working same.
Yes.
Same with your ball and then can work.
Yes.
There are no need to change anything. Just the socket when you put in your original washing machine, then it can work. So very convenient. And now let me introduce for you another model. We can compare what's the difference of them. This washing machine computer board,
Yes.
they are also smaller, very
Yes.
smaller. Yes. So what they are different? Let me see. What's the difference of it? Oh, you can see here the line.
Yeah.
This one is
Yeah. This one is the like this. Here is like this.
yes. This one is more longer,
This
more
one is
higher.
more smooth.
Good. Yes. So they are almost the same. Only the line not the same.
Yeah. Only the
So
light design.
maybe when you choose, you need to tell me the model number on the board. You know, each single board they have their own model number. So when you want to choose it, you tell me the model number.
Yes.
This model number for my board is 52S7. Yes, this is 52S7,
Yes.
and this is 6085. So if you tell me the model number and the picture, and we will know which model, which goods will be given to you.
Yes.
And now let us see another model. Oh, let me see.
Yes.
Also, it's very
This
similar.
one display. This one have the LED display.
Yes.
But this one no have. Others is the same. Only this one is the different.
Yes,
Yeah.
I see.
Yes.
So this is the single ball. This single ball, the model number is 488. 4A-06.
Yes, and this one is 4A-05.
Oh, yes. So maybe when you see in the body, there are little difference. So, but
Yes.
maybe if you not give me the picture when you order, maybe we will make the mistake.
Yes.
But if you before you order, you send me the picture, so we must be can supply you the same.
Yes, of course.
So maybe now because of the time, maybe we will introduce you the last one.
Okay. It's this one.
Yes, and this is the same style, the
Yes,
same brand use,
but
the shade
not
is too much different. So we just show you this sample to show when you order this single ball, so will be have many difference.
yes.
If you want to know more, if you want to know more, you must be show us
The picture
yes, show us the picture
and the
for
clear
this
picture.
yes for this single ball.
Yes.
And for the single ball, we just see the switch size. Very important is for the switch
Yes, for the
and for the LED display
yes.
and the line.
Yes.
Very important. Different line they show the power. They show the type is different.
Oh.
Yes. And when you compare a ball, you must be know. You see this rubber on the ball is very clearly.
Yes.
But if you can see, have some factory will be make it yellow and white.
Oh,
But
like this.
if not clearly transparent white, that means the cost price will be more reduced.
Oh.
But this transparent rubber, is very good quality to waterproof, and their quality and cost will be higher than others.
Oh, that's the reason why they're so good quality.
Yes, yes. So, yes. But all in all, you can compare the ball with the model to see if they are the same or not. Yes, yes. I hope from today all the friends will be understand it.
And know more about the PCB ball.
Yes, yes. If you have any interesting or questions,
Just contact us.
yes, we will also have other liberate product induction later. Maybe looking for our meeting later. And also now, if you are interested how to search us, you just come it here.
And this is the Facebook and the YouTube channel, and this is our WeChat and the WhatsApp. Yes.
Yes, this is all the contact.
Yes.
You can choose anyone. You can search us.
Yes. Yes.
Do you see it? Or maybe like this size will be more clearly. This is very important. Can search us clearly. Can you see clearly? WeChat, WhatsApp. In the down also have the phone number.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is Candy, this is Joey. Welcome to our live show today. Let's all
That's our pleasure to have you here. Let's start.
Yes, today we are going to introduce fan motor from our factory. You can see there are many models behind my bag. Yeah, and we have a variety of the fan motor, such as wall fan motor, stand fan motor, pulse fan motor, and exhaustive fan motors.
Yes, I'm going to give you a little
instruction.
Yeah, a little introduction of our fan motors. Now, please take a look of these motors. Normally, our fan motors is made up of front shell and back shell.
The front shell and the back shell.
Yeah. Little and stator, gearbox and capacitor. Joey,
Yeah.
we have variety of our fan motors, and each tip fan motors have different size. Do you know how to distinguish them?
Yes, I know it. Usually we distinguish the fan motor by the ball bearing type and brush type. By the ball bearing type and the brush type. And we have different size of and we also have different size for the stators. The stators such as 12, 14, 16, 18. 20, 22, 25 inch and so on. And we can also distinguish from the material of the wire. Yes, the material of the wire. And you can choose pure copper wires or aluminum wires. And for the rounding speed of the fan motors, we have high speed which can up to 2,200 rounds per minute, and the normal speed type which can up to 1,300 rounds per minute. Right?
Yes, but Joey, there are a lot of factories manufacturing fan motors.
Yeah.
Why do customers choose us?
That's a good question. I will let you know. Our product's advantage now. Firstly, when our fan motor is working, it works stably and is very efficient.
Yes.
And number two, our factory use good quality stator for fan motors in order to protect the internal structure of the motor and to ensure the stability of the motor structure. And number three, we also use the high quality lubricating oil to reduce the resistance of the motor when it running and make the motor run smoother. Yes, and the last one, our engineer come up a low noise design for the fan motors. So our fan motor is powerful while running smoothly with the low noise. It brings a quite comfortable environment for you and your family to sleep.
Okay. Yes, this is why our factory has been in this industry for many years.
Yes.
So that's a short introduction of fan motors. If you are interested in our fan motors and want to know more about the details, please contact us. This is our factory QR code, Facebook
And the Facebook account.
Yes.
Yes.
And
WhatsApp number.
Okay. You can ask me many questions about our products.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay, right now we have introduced the whole fan motor to our friends, including the fan motor's basic feature and advantage. Now we want to show you 5 popular motors models. Our customer have the high demand on these models.
Okay. Joey, could you make a brief introduction of them one by one?
Of course, no problem. Please look at the first one. This is the first one. It is a 20-inch fan motor, which with ball bearing, yes, with ball bearing, and 1.8 UF capacitor, 1.8 UF capacitor, and the material is copper wire. Yes, we can see here inside. Yeah, it's the copper wire, and built-in ball. And it built-in ball bearing means that the fan motor can be running more durable and less noisy. I highly recommend this product. It is suitable for many universal fans. Yes, okay. Next one, and please look at this one. This one is yes. This one is a 16-inch table fan motor. Yes, 16-inch table fan motors. It is a little different from the normal 16-inch model. Yes, this stator size is 66 mm. 66 mm multiplies 16 mm. Yes, please remember this stator's size is 66 mm multiplies 16 mm, and the length is 16 mm here. Yes, but the previous model is 79 mm length, and the other specification data are the same. Also, the aluminum wire reading with it is aluminum wire and with 1.5 UF capacitor. 1.5 UF capacitor.
Okay, let me show you next model. I have here is 74 mm multiply 60 mm fan motor. The stator is bigger than another models that I introduced before. It's up to 64 mm. This one also with 1.5 UF capacity, and its material is aluminum wire winding. The shell also is aluminum.
Yes. Okay. And let me look at this one on the table. And you may notice that it doesn't look like any others motors. Yes. So this type is applicable for Bosch fan motor. Yes, it is for Bosch fan motor. It is smaller than the normal motor and looks a little cute, right? It is also a hot cell motor around the world. This motor is suitable for 12-inch to 12-inch fans. Yes, this motor is suitable for 12-inch fans, and it has 14 mm thick stator, and the stator is outside. Yeah, you can see the stator. Yeah. Okay. And please look on this sample. Yes, okay. Please look at this sample, my friends. Candy, could you see? Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yes. Could you see how many wires in it?
Okay, as you can see, it has 5 wires. You can see 5 wires. This one is 4 wires, right?
Yeah. You can see this.
Yes.
Yes, it's also different.
Yes. What is the function of it? Do you know, Julie?
Yes. Each of these wires are used to connect the different functions terminal, so that we can enjoy the different functions of the fan, right?
Yes. Yes. And we know that Bosch fan motors is rarely used. Motors will be demand or service life is short.
Damage. Yes.
Yeah,
and the
damage
service life
service
is short.
life is short.
Yeah.
So you need choose a better quality models to replace it. And our product is your best choice. With best quality, competitive price, and actually after sales service.
Yes, with best quality and competitive price and excellent after-sales service, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Please look at this last model I have here. It is a 3-in-1 fan motor. Candy, do you know? Yes, Candy. So do you know why we call it 3-in-1?
Yes, of course. Because it can be used for stand fan motors.
Yeah.
And wall fan and ground fan.
Yes.
3-in-1. Yes.
Yes, it is can be used for stand fan, wall fan, and ground fans. Please remember that's
Yes.
why we call it in 3-in-1. Yeah. So we can say one motor can help us to repair 3 types of the fans. I can say it is really a good product to buy. So we also have an option of the aluminum wires and copper wires. You can choose whatever you want.
Yes. That's all our today for fan motors. If you have any interest in fan motors, please contact with me.
Yes, please.
Here is our QR code. You can scan it and talk to me. And if you have any needs in customizing fan motors, for example, you want to make your blend or change color of our outer shells.
Yes, you can see.
Yes, we have 2 shells.
We have this gold color and this silver color.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, and with the ball bearing, we will make it the black color.
Yes. We can do for you anything. Okay.
So my friends, thank you so much. This is the end of the introduction of our fan motors. Thank you so much for watching our live show. We will see you the next time tomorrow.
Yeah, same time.
Yeah,
Thank you.
same time.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye bye.